Well, we just got back from Disney World last night, and so obviously today I had to run around and get groceries and things that we needed. A lot of this stuff we had run out before we left, but I didn't want to get it and then turn around and go on vacation for a week. So I just went to Costco and got all this stuff. I'm getting ready to go to Kroger, but I wanted to share with you first what I got. So I picked up another container of the 2 dozen eggs, a pack of the organic ground beef, a 3-pack of the organic chicken breast, and a 3-pack of the organic ground turkey. This time I got a different broccoli. The last time I got it, it said florets, but it still had the really big stalks on it. This was in a different section than the other broccoli, so still organic, but it does definitely have more of the little florets, and it's one big bag versus the other bag that I got last time, which was 3 individual bags. But I'd rather have this and have actual florets than the big stem. So I picked that up this time. I got these for my husband again. He really likes those. These I got a few things actually. Since we just got our membership, they give you a bunch of coupons. Some things are free and some things you just get a discount off of. But these, I think I got $8 or $6 off, so it made these a really good deal, and I've heard really good things about their trash bags anyway. So I got those. I also got a bag of the Kirkland organic tortilla chips, which we've had before, we really like, and with the coupon they sent me, I actually made these free. Same thing with the toilet paper. I don't love their toilet paper, but it's still really good quality, and it was free, so I got that. I got a big bag of organic sugar that'll last us for a very long time. I also got some of the Disney organic apples. I've been really enjoying apples and peanut butter as a snack, so I got a bag of those. This was free with the coupons they sent me. I don't normally use fabric softener, but I can either donate it or just save it for whenever I might want something like sheets or something with fabric softener. So I got that. This wasn't free, but it made it a really good price. I think it was like $10 with the coupon they sent for the Kirkland brand, like Tide Pods kind of knockoff situation. So I got those. So that is everything I got at Costco, and now I'm headed to Kroger, and I'll show you what I got there when I get back. Okay, so I'm back from Kroger. I really didn't need a whole lot from there. They were having their 5-time sale though, so I did get a couple things to stock up on. I got 3 more of our organic orange juice that we really like. I got some Annie's organic biscuits just to have one night with eggs or something really quick and easy. I got some gluten-free penne and gluten-free elbow noodles. We don't have to eat gluten-free, but we actually like the taste of those better than the regular ones. I got those. I got some organic tortillas for some turkey tacos, an organic cucumber, and some of the Purdue Simply Smart chicken tenders. I've talked about those before. They're gluten-free and organic, and they're really good. I also got 2 tomatoes, 2 blocks of organic cheese, some organic red potatoes. I got a couple of our favorite cereals, and of course my Ghirardelli brownies, which we have on Saturday nights. Also a box of the girls' granola, some Greek yogurt, some organic bananas. I got that little kind of lunch roll up for my husband, and then I also got a lot of those Simply Truth. They're kind of like Lunchables. They're not organic, but they're definitely better than an actual Lunchable. And my husband and the girls have really been enjoying those. I got those for our trip to Disney, and they loved them, so I got a few more to have around the house. And I also got 3 gallons of milk. So that is everything that I picked up from Kroger. And as always, anytime I go to grocery shopping, whether it's Kroger or Costco or anywhere, I always use Fetch Rewards to scan my receipt because you earn points, and those points add up so you can get like gift cards and restaurant gift cards and things like that. I actually had enough points before our vacation that I was able to get a $50 Rainforest Cafe gift card just by scanning my receipt from the grocery store every week. So definitely recommend that. I will have a link for Fetch Rewards in the description box. I've talked about it before. I have a referral code. If you guys use my code, you will get bonus points in your account just for signing up, and I will get bonus points if you sign up through my link with my referral code. So whether you use my link or not, though, definitely sign up for Fetch Rewards because it is an easy way to get money back just for grocery shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.